just me, or is there somebody else that's dealing with a noisy environment and it takes its toll on you? It creates stress. Stress is a silent killer. Stress affects your mind and your emotions. Stress affects your body and your organs. Stress affects your blood pressure and your blood sugar. Stress affects everything about you. Stress is a silent killer. It creates things like anxiety. It creates all kinds of anxiety. Anxiety is to be anxious about something that hasn't even happened, to worry about the possibility, to have faith in negativity, to believe, to rehearse in your mind, what if this happens and what if that happens? And it's coming from the noise, it's coming from the noise, it's coming from the noise, because the enemy knows that if you ever focus, you're going to be unstoppable.